Welcome to another episode. Today the question is a strange question. The questioner asked, "Hello, I am a donkey with a human brain. I got a brain transplant a few years ago. Unfortunately, I am not famous, as I don't want to be famous. But now I am suddenly wanting to be famous. How do I get famous?" So this is a person who was told he is a donkey with a human brain, and now he suddenly wants to be famous. So how to get famous? I don't know. So we are giving a reply to that because his way of telling is somewhat he thinks the human brain is better than a donkey's brain. Is it really so? Let us see that a donkey with a donkey brain is okay, but a donkey with a human brain is a problem. Instead of being a lousy human brain, being with a human brain, try to get a donkey brain back. That is our advice. So don't be with a lousy human brain. Be with the donkey brain. Get it back. Why? Why it is so? Why he should get a donkey brain back? We'll see some interesting facts about donkey from furryfacts.com and factslegend.org. So a donkey has an excellent memory. They are able to remember another donkey or a place they visited 25 years ago. In order to keep cool in hot and desert conditions, they use their big ears. Donkey that is properly cared for can live for roughly 40 years. Donkeys are not adventurous animals. They will never do anything they consider unsafe or dangerous. That is one positive thing. They will never do anything which is unsafe or dangerous. Because of their large ears, a donkey can hear another donkey as far as 60 miles away in the proper desert conditions. So a donkey can hear another donkey as far as 60 miles away in proper desert conditions, because with desert conditions it is totally silent, so they can hear a very long distance because of their large ears. Unlike a horse, a donkey has the ability to make decisions in order to ensure their safety, independently of being told to do something. A horse, if trained, will do whatever you told. A donkey, on the other hand, will think on its own for its safety and may refuse to do something if it is unsafe. It can think on its own for its own safety. Donkeys hate rain, and it is possible for a donkey to affect their health if they stay out long period of time in the rain. So their health gets affected if they are in the rain for a long time. In order to keep themselves clean, donkey will help clean another donkey, just like how monkeys and chimps do. So they clean their friends and family, one another, like chimpanzees and monkeys do. One of the donkey's favorite pastimes is roll around on the ground. So rolling around the ground is their favorite pastime. Often a horse and a donkey are crossbred. The baby of a male donkey and a female horse is called a mule. So when a donkey and horse is crossbred, it is called a mule. The highest number of donkeys in the entire world live in China. A donkey can be scared or startled very easily. Unlike a horse, they are all about safety first. Since they aim for safety first, they can be scared easily. In case they sense something wrong while traveling, they will simply not move ahead and will start digging their heels. This is behavior out of their intelligence. This behavior has made people think that donkeys are stubborn. That is, if the donkey is, while you are taking it out, if it refuses to move and stands there digging their heels, you think they are stubborn. But actually they sense some problems, unsafe conditions from their intelligence. So they don't move forward. A herd leader in a donkey always acts like a leader in the face of a threat, like that of a predator attacking the herd. The leader will stay and face the threat, allowing enough time for the rest of the herd to escape safely. So the leader will stay ahead, face the threat of a predator or something, so that the others can escape safely. Unlike horses, donkeys are not prone to being startled easily. Though they put safety first, they are still curious by nature. Donkeys are capable of utilizing 95% of entire meal they eat. This is because they are basically desert animals. In desert areas, food is scarce and wasting food is not luxury in those areas. So whatever they eat, utilize 95% of the food they eat because they are prone to live in deserts where food is scarce. Donkeys have a very special and very efficient digestive system that is capable of breaking down even the most inedible vegetation known. They don't just break down the vegetation, they can even extract moisture very efficient out of these plants and use the same thing to keep themselves hydrated. So they can eat any kind of food, digest it. Apart from it, whatever moisture is there, they will extract it into water and use it for their body. So these are the positive aspects of a donkey. There's so many of positive aspects. So animals are generally more advanced in a way than human beings. They are along with nature, whereas human beings have moved away from nature and they have become dumb. So better have a donkey brain, not a human brain. With this, we will end this episode. Stay with me for another episode. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Thank you.